Hello internet, here we have 2021 Hyundai Tucson hybrid. I come to our yard for braking. I just want to show you some features that is working, and it's just for our record in the future. So I'm still learning myself, so if I going to see what are them in here, all the features, the vehicle, I will come back to this one with full update later on. And this on the key and the camera. This is the rear camera. Of course the tailgate is open, and I want to show the engine. It looks like it done only 500 miles. It come to hour, and here is how the engine sound. That's the engine. It's all automatic hybrid, and I put all the detail of the car on description. So the lights are working all. Let me to put the hazard. Yeah, light is working in there. It's crashed, and that one is working as well. And this one as well, and the mirror is with the blind spot sensor. Okay, just give us a call, whatever you need. We are here to help.